I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Bob Reynolds. He is CEO of Putnam Investments. Bob, it's great to see you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thanks for having me today, Judy.
Okay, quick note to our viewers. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, Bob, in May, Putnam Investments launched its first 4 actively managed ETFs. The firm, currently with $200 billion in assets under management, has been a purely active management shop for over 80 years. Does Putnam think the new ETFs will be well received by the marketplace?
Yeah, we're very excited about offering active ETFs. As you mentioned, for the last 80 years, we've been an active manager. And for many years now, there's been discussion of having ETFs available in an active framework. So it's something we've been looking forward to. And we're very, very excited about the opportunity.
Now, how did you choose which strategies to offer in active ETF format? What were the factors that went into the selection process?
Yeah, we looked at our lineup of available strategies, and some of the funds, or the 4 funds we chose, were ones that have excellent long-term track records, were well received in the marketplace already, and we thought they'd make provide us an excellent start in the active ETF space. So that's how we chose those 4 funds. One's large cap growth, one's large cap value, and there are 2 sustainable funds where we have a excellent track records, and really in all 4 areas, but in the sustainable area, we stand out.
Now, as you look down the road, do you envision the market for active ETFs growing significantly over time?
Yeah, we do. We think it's a great framework for investors. Obviously, when you look at the history of ETFs, they did not jump out at first, but they've grown significantly since then. And we see the same thing happening on the active side, definitely.
So Bob, tell me, what's next for Putnam on the ETF front? Do you expect to offer a larger suite of active ETFs?
Yeah, the 4 funds we came out earlier this year was our first set of offerings, but we look to have a family of active ETFs. So you will see more from Putnam certainly later on this year and into next year, definitely.
Okay, well, Bob, it's great to have you on the show. Thank you so much for joining me on NYSE Floor Talk.
Judy, thanks so much for having me, and it was my pleasure.